At the end of this level, you will be ready to read from the Quran and you will be ready to read Arabic words by the side. We have 3 letters. When we pronounce them, we have to put our tongue with the teeth on top. Assalamu alaikum. I am Omar Dasuki, Quran teacher, Arabic and Islamic studies. And you are watching Quran recitation and Arabic course. And this is the first level to learn Arabic and Quran recitation. In this level, we will learn the names of the letters, the shapes of the letters in the words, at first, in the middle, and at the end. Because the Arabic letters, they have different shapes when we write them, at first, in the middle, and at the end. Before we start, you should bring a pencil and notebook to write the notes and the words when we practice or when we write words. In the beginning, I will say the names of the letters, the Arabic alphabet. And I will focus on the common mistakes I saw them when I teach my students. Okay? At the end of this level, to read from the Quran, and you will be ready to read Arabic words by the side. I will say the names of the letters. We have 29 Arabic letters. Repeat with me. Okay? Alif. Alif. Repeat after me like me 100%. And write the letters. Next one. Ba. 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 Don't say ba. Ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ta. 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 Don't say ta. And then tha. 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 Don't say tha. Okay? And then Jim. Jim. J, J. Jim. Next. Ha. 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 Don't say ha. Or don't say ha. Ha. Some letters, they are not existed in another language. Like ha, ha, the throat letters. Ha, press on your throat. Ha, ha. And then ha, ha, ha. Don't say ha, okay? Ha, ha, strong letters. And then dal, da, da, dal, dal. Don't say da, no. Dal. And then zal, da, 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 da. Zal, zal. Don't say the. It is zal. And then ra, ra, ra. And then zay, zay, zay. Don't say za. Zay, zay. Sin, s, sin, sin. And then sheen, sheen, sheen. And then sad, sad. Sa. Don't say sa. Sa, sin. But that one, sa. Sad. Dod. Da, da, da. Don't say za. No, it is da. And don't say da. Dod. Da. Dod. Dod. And then ta. 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 Don't say ta. No, it is ta. Ta. And then va. 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 The same sound with the, but the heavy, strong. Inshallah, after we finish the letters, we will know the heavy letters and the light letters. And then Ayn, Ayn, Ayn. Don't say Ayn, and don't say A. Notice A from your throat. Press on your throat. A. And then Gha, Ghayn, Ghayn, Ghayn. Don't say Ghayn, no, wrong. And don't say Ga, Gayn, no. And then Fa, don't say Fa, wrong, Fa. And then Qaf, Qaf. Don't say Ka. Kaf, another, next one. That one. Kaf, Kaf. And then Lam. Sometimes we make it heavy, like la, al sound, and la. Okay, and we will know that inshallah when we study the Tajweed in details. And then Mim, Noon. Don't say noon, wrong. Say noon. And then Wow. Don't say wow, wrong. Don't say wow, it is wow. And then Ha, H sound. Don't say ha, no, another one ha, but that one ha. And don't say ha, no, ha, light sound. And then Hamza. And then last letter Ya. Don't say ya. We have 3 letters. When we pronounce them, we have to put our tongue with the teeth on top. There are 3 letters. Tha, Dhal, Dha, Tha, Dhal, Dha. Okay, and then the Arabic letters, there are 3 types. First one heavy, next one light letters, last one sometimes heavy, sometimes light. The letters always heavy letters, heavy sounds, strong. There are 7 letters. They are Qa, Qaf. You have to say Qa. If you say Ka, you will make it light, another letter. You will change the letters. Qaf. And then Ghayn, Gha. Don't say Gha. It is Ghayn. And then Kha. Don't say Kha. Qaf, Ghayn, Kha. Next one, Sad. Don't say Sa. No. If you say Sa, you will make it light and you will see another letter. Sin. Okay, that one, Sad. Next one, Dad. If you say Da, you will say Dal, but they're light. Dad, heavy. Next one, Ta. If you say Ta, you will say Ta and you will see the light letter. Last one, Va. If you say it light, the, you will pronounce the letter. Okay? The letters sometime heavy, sometimes light. There are 3 letters. Alif, Lam. Sometimes we say Alif, A and O sometimes. And we will study that in details when we study the rules of Tajweed inshallah. And the Lam, sometimes we say it La, sometimes we say it La, al sound. Last letter, Ra. Sometimes we say Ra, sometimes we pronounce it Ra, Ri. Sometimes heavy, sometimes light. Okay. Another letters, they are light letters. Ba, Ta, ثاء جيم حاء دال ذال زاي سين شين عين فاء كاف ميم نون واو هاء همزة ياء. Okay, if you didn't master anything from this video, you should repeat it. Okay, let's go to the test. Before we go to the test, you should do subscribe to see the videos when we publish it. Okay, let's go to the test. Look at those letters. Which one from those letters ضاد? Excellent. Last one. Okay, which one from those letters سين? سين. Yeah, excellent. No one. I tricked you. Focus. Okay, which one from those letters لام? Excellent. First one. Which one from those letters حاء? Yeah, the second one. Okay, which one from those letters هاء? I said هاء. Okay, yes, last one. Okay, I will show you the letter and I will pronounce it. If I said it right, you say yes. If I said it wrong, you say no. And you have to say the reason why yes, why no. Okay, this letter, is it دال? Yes or no? Yes, دال. Da, because I pronounced the light sound. Da. If I said ضاد, you will say ضاد. This letter عين. No, why? Because عين has no dot, but this letter is غين. غين looks like عين, but غين has a dot. Excellent. Is this letter تاء? Excellent. No, because تاء has 2 dots, but that one has 3 dots. That one is ثاء. Good, excellent. Is this letter ياء? Yes, excellent. ياء. That one, ياء. Is this letter قاف? قاف, the heavy letter, the heavy sound, strong. قاف. Yes, قاف, because I said the heavy one. If I said كاف, you will say no, because كاف is light. If you answer all of them right, yeah, you can go to the next video. If you want to know you say the letters right or wrong, you can do a record and you say those letters in this record and you send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, and I will put my WhatsApp link in the first comment. And if you found this video good, you share it with your friend who want to learn Quran or Arabic, and press like on this video to make this video go to the other people who want to learn Quran or Arabic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. See you in the next video.